Hi, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Kendall, and I'm going to talk a little bit about VidJack and what my view is on it and my personal opinion. So I went into the members area, and I am honestly a beginner in the affiliate marketing realm, and I thought it was extremely easy to use and very valuable. And I'm still learning about call to actions, about conversions, and about all that good stuff. But just its drag and drop features were super simple to use. The interface was very intuitive, and I thought it was just of extreme value for the price that they're charging and the amount of usefulness and utility that you get out of it. So if you felt like any of this was, if resonates with you, then please go ahead and go check it out. I feel like for a veteran person in the affiliate marketing online business world, this would be of even greater value just because of their increased knowledge and experience. So I'd say for both beginners and more experienced marketers that this would be of extreme value to them. So thank you so much. Peace. Have a wonderful day.